was gonna start my stream, bro.
Southeastern New York.
Come on.
Until 2:30 p.m. At 1:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Harriman, or 7 miles southeast of Monroe, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind.
Goodness, what the heck?
Size hail.
Oh my gosh, bro.
Radar indicated.
I was about to start my stream and this happened. Wow. That's fantastic, Upton.
This severe thunderstorm will be near
Goodness.
Peekskill and Haverstraw around 1:45 p.m.
Oh my
For your
god.
protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail,
Bro.
damaging wind, and
What the
continuous
heck?
cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers.
Goodness.
Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
What the heck?
Lightning
Oh
is
my,
one of
bruh.
nature's leading killers. Remember, if you hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
Dude.
A severe thunderstorm
Come on.
has been issued until 2:30 p.m. for the following counties, including New York, Orange and Northern Fairfield,
Bruh.
Northern Middlesex, Northern New Haven, Northern New London, Southern Fairfield, Southern Middlesex.